Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's topic is construction line in AutoCAD. Construction line is also known as X line in AutoCAD. In this topic, we will share knowledge regarding construction line, then how to apply construction line as a reference line in AutoCAD. Also, shortcut key for construction line. So class, let's get started today's topic. Class, we all know the construction line is one of the 2D commands which use as a reference line in our drawing for managing accurate parameters of our drawing. We can use the construction line in our work in a few simple steps and get many reference line in our drawing for getting the best results in our project work. You can find the construction line command from the draw menu of the home tab, and or you can use a shortcut key for construction line. Here we can see in the draw tool palette the construction line command is displayed. In the construction line we can create a line of infinite length. That means the lines that extend to infinity, such as X lines, can be used to create construction and reference lines and for trimming boundaries. Class, before that, we need to create and draw an entity for better understanding the construction line. You can put Excel from the keyboard for shortcut key of construction line. You can see here X line, that means construction line option is displayed. Now in the command bar you will see here the 5 types of the construction line is present: horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect and offset. Now class, we will see first horizontal command of construction line. In this command we making a horizontal line in our drawing. Now first select horizontal option from command bar. Okay, for making horizontal line you can make a click at specific point on your desired drawing entity in horizontal direction, and horizontal line will come on your drawing as a reference line. You can see here two horizontal line is created. I am creating here a simple rectangle by using these two horizontal construction lines, that means horizontal reference lines. Okay, you can see here we can creating easily a rectangle by using this infinite length reference line. Now our next step is vertical construction line. In vertical construction line, by using vertical option you can create vertical reference line. Class, if you want a vertical construction line, then make a click in vertical direction at a specific point of your working entity or drawing entity. Now I am clicking at the corner points. Now you can see here two vertical reference lines is created. Now I am giving color. Okay, now you can better understand the vertical construction line. Now I am creating a simple rectangle by using line command or these two vertical reference lines. Okay, now first I am giving a color for better understand the rectangle, or here we go. The rectangle is created by using these two vertical reference lines, that means vertical construction line. Okay, now next is angular construction line. If you want to make a construction line at a particular angle or inclined line, then select angular option from command bar. Okay, now I am selecting here inclined or angular option. Okay, now it will ask you the particular angle. Now here I am giving 45 degree angle. Okay, now press enter. Now select a particular point. I am selecting these corner points. Here you can see the infinite length angular reference lines, that means inclined construction lines, is created. Okay, see here. You can easily delete these lines by selecting these lines. Okay, first here I am selecting all vertical, horizontal or inclined lines one by one. Okay, now next press delete key from keyboard. Now you can see here all vertical, horizontal or inclined lines are deleted. Class. Next is bisecting construction line. You can use this construction line as a bisected reference line. For bisecting reference line, select bisect option from command bar. Now it will ask you a corner point of your drawing entity. Now I am selecting here. Now next specify the second point for its reference line. Now you can see here bisecting reference line or bisecting construction line is now created. Okay, you can use this line as a reference for your particular drawing object. For exit the command, press enter or select a corner point. Now you can see here I am creating lots of bisecting line by using specific angle or a point. Now I am deleting these lines by selecting one by one. Okay, first you now to select all lines. Now press delete key from your keyboard. Last command from the construction line is offset construction line. Now put from your keyboard Excel, then press enter and then select offset option from the command bar. Okay, it will ask you a specific line through which you want to offset a construction line. Now select a particular line or a drawing entity. Okay, I am giving 10 mm distance. Now you can see here the offset line is now created. Okay, I am giving this a color for better understanding the reference line. Okay, now I will check the distance between these two lines. Okay, you can see here 10 mm distance. Okay, that means offset is created. Now again I am creating a new construction line or offset line. Okay, now select offset. Okay, now give a specific distance. I am giving 100 distance. Okay, now press enter. Now select a particular line. Now select right hand side or left hand side. I am selecting right hand side. Now you can see here the offset construction line is now created. Now I am checking the distance. Okay, zoom it. Now you can see here 100 mm distance. Okay, that means the offset construction line is now created. Here I want to share some small tips regarding the horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect or offset construction line. For horizontal construction line, you can put Excel from your keyboard, then press enter, then again press capital H from your keyboard. After all procedure is done, the horizontal construction line is creating on your drawing entity. Next is vertical construction line. For that, put capital Excel, then press enter and put capital V in command bar, then press enter. After all procedure is done, you will see the vertical construction line is created. Next is angular construction line. For that, put Excel, then press enter, then put capital A from your keyboard. You will see the angular construction line is created in your drawing entity. Next is bisecting construction line. For that, you can put Excel, then press enter and then put capital B in command bar. After all procedure is done, bisecting construction line is created in your drawing entity. Next, offset construction line. For offset construction line, put capital Excel, then press enter, then press capital O from your computer keyboard. After all procedure is done, you will see in your drawing entity the offset construction line is created. That's it, class. I hope now you can understand the construction line in AutoCAD. What are the types of the construction line, or what are the shortcut keys for construction line, or how you can handle the construction line parameter for making reference line in your drawing from a different direction. Okay. If you like our today's video tutorial of construction line, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in CAD softwares. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.